Travel in comfort. I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the SkytraxComf travel pillow. I love how squishy and plush this is, how breathable and comfortable the hood. You can easily take off the cover and wash it. It fits so nicely around your neck. I love this for if you're going on a long road trip or on a plane. It comes in its own carry case and is just so convenient to just slip over your head, wrap it around your neck. Those adjustable strings are perfect for if it is for my husband or myself, and really allows you to sleep on the plane no matter what the conditions are. It was so easy to attach to my purse or my bag so that I could have my hands free. It was such a breeze to roll it up. I actually stick it into the hood, and then that makes it even easier to put back into its carry bag. I loved it, and that's my point of view.